body, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy and decide to stay. Y'all, in today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So, I need to do a deep clean on my entire apartment. So, in today's video, I'm just about to play some tunes and I'm about to clean this apartment. And y'all can just vibe with me, listen to the music, you know, put me on the TV, get up and clean with me, or just watch me clean and just enjoy. So, yeah, let's get into cleaning this messy apartment.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Punch you like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind. Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nut and room. Third day, pop out the tune. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. This my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? You still talking about babies and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. Looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody. I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on.
What you want?
lips look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My opus front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well, huh? It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Chateau, I'm up of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well, huh? It's some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going well, huh? It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going well, huh? It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Already got what you needed, I guess, yeah. That's why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, I bet. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
claps.
Alright, you guys, that is the end of today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making it. My apartment is now nice and clean, and I can get ready to start decorating again for Christmas this year. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned to Vlogmas. First video will be posted up this Sunday. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Comment down below if you liked this video, if it was satisfying, if it was interesting, if it made you want to get up. You know, let me know. Some parts I didn't record because my camera, sometimes it was overheating and my batteries kept dying. And I was recording. I didn't know it stopped recording. But, you know, we got it done anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment down below if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Dressed up for the club, waiting on it, come